Hi everybody, welcome to Shell Lectures. So today we'll be dealing with English grammar, active voice to passive voice, and today it will be a very peculiar topic because it talks about the sentences in English that cannot be converted from active to passive. Okay, so we are going to discuss what kind of sentences are those which cannot be converted from active voice to passive voice, what makes them inconvertible. Okay, so that's what we are going to learn today. So let's before we get into that, we have to learn about two terms, that is the two types of verbs: transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. Transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. So, transitive verbs are nothing but verbs which are followed by an object. Transitive verbs are nothing but verbs which are followed by an object, or an object is definitely there for a transitive verb. For example, I ate an apple. I ate an apple. So here I is the subject, ate is the verb, an apple. I told you that objects are of two types, direct object and indirect object. Direct object answers the question what, and indirect object answers the question whom, right? So here it answers the question what. What did I eat? I ate an apple. So this is an object. So this verb is followed by an object, right? After the verb we can find an object. So this verb just accepts an object. It has an object. So this sentence has an object. So this verb is said to be a transitive verb. Whereas intransitive verb, what is the example? I went to church. Okay, so here I is the subject because it's a doer of the action, and then we have verb went, and to church. I went to church. It's something which is known as adjunct, which we'll be learning in the next videos. So I went to church. Here we don't have any object. This does not answer neither of these questions, right? It's not answering I went what? I went to the church. No, it's not possible. I went whom? I went to church. No, it's also not possible. So there is no object in this sentence, right? So after the verb there is no object. An object does not follow the subject, right? The verb is not followed by an object. So these kind of verbs are known as intransitive verbs. So simply we can say that verbs which are followed by an object are known as transitive verbs, and verbs which are not followed by an object are known as intransitive verbs. So, the sentences which carry intransitive verbs cannot be converted into passive voice. That is the rule, okay? For example, let us take the two examples which we wrote just now. I ate an apple and I went to church. I ate an apple. So this is the subject, this is the verb, and this is the object. So what do? We bring the object to the front. So an apple. And what is the tense used here? Past tense. So I have to knock at the door of past tense. There are two people. Was and where. Was is meant for singular, the husband. Where is meant for plural, the wife. So an apple is singular, so I must write was, because an apple refers to only one apple. An apple was. Then I have to write the past participle of the verb which is being given in the question, and then I write eaten because that's a past participle of the word ate. An apple was eaten. Then I write the preposition by. Then I have to bring the subject to the last. As it is I here, when it comes to the last, it takes the second form, so it becomes me. Okay, so this sentence obviously could be converted into passive voice, right? Because the verb which is given in the sentence is a transitive verb. That is the only reason why the sentence could be converted into passive voice. Now come on, I went. This is not an object as I told you, right? It's an adjunct about which we'll be dealing with in the later videos. So here we don't have an object. The first ever rule in active voice to passive voice is to bring the object to the front. So how can you bring the object to the front in a sentence which doesn't even possess an object, right? So there is no object at all here. So this sentence cannot be converted into passive voice, obviously. That is why we say the sentences which contain intransitive verbs cannot be converted into passive voice. Okay. Also, if we take another example, we can say I wrote a poem. Here you do have an object, right? But if you write it as I wrote well. Here we have And this is something which is also related to adject. So it's not an object, right? It doesn't answer neither of the questions what and whom. So here also we don't have an object. So this sentence cannot be converted into passive voice. But this sentence can be converted into passive voice. So let me put a summary of whatever we have learned so far. That is, sentences which contain transitive verbs or the verbs which are followed by objects can be converted into passive. Sentences which contain intransitive verbs or the verbs that are not followed by objects cannot be converted into the passive voice. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so far. Like and share this video to whomever you know. Thank you so much.